Hello, today I'm gonna present you some smaller tool I designed for pump lock. Like you can use it for fountain and pollux and all the pump lock that usually be picked with a wire. So those are very basic. That's basically a steel wire, hard to bend and with a good grip, and you can feel when you push the pin. You can feel it because it's made of resin, so it's stiff, and you feel everything inside the lock. So I can show a demonstration on fountain. So it's time to pick. So you can just take it and feel the pin inside, and you feel the click. That was a click. This one's binding. Click. Okay, this one's springy. Springy. Okay, got a click. Okay, so go back to the beginning. Springy. Springy. Same. Okay, so that's pump lock. You need to go in circle like this to pick them. And in your hands, not the best things to do for tension. Okay, gotta click out this one. They all feel set. Strange. Okay, this one was binding. Okay, and we got it open. So you can you hear the click. So this tool is good because you have a good grip on it and you feel everything and you're not hurting your hand. With the wire you shape like you just cut it and take it in your hand. So those will be available soon for sale, like for about €5 each, I think, and shipping worldwide if you want.